Invoice number V8016. Today's date is September 29th, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. It is a 1313 flue. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Proceeding down scan now. As you can see, the entire top of this chimney has been taken over by vines. And has made its way all through the cap that is currently installed somewhere in there. Recommend getting that taken out of before use. There is a little third stage creosote in here that has migrated to the top of the flue. A little bit of cement protruding in. More cement. Looks like there might be some water getting in to this chimney also. There's more third stage creosote. More third stage creosote. Stagger flue tile. Cement protruding into the flue. Put a mortar joint. More creosote. We are now entering the smoke chamber, which is unparged. It does have creosote present. That is that black shiny stuff. As you can see right there, light just bounces right off of it. This is a heatilator system. This is looking up. The damper saddle is starting to rot out. see it right there. It's not sitting in properly. The back of the firebox is starting to warp out and it appears to be starting to shift a little bit. We're approximately 20 feet tall in height. That concludes the video inspection for the living room fireplace. Defects are observed. Further recommendations to follow.